So over here, you can see that this is what I have chosen to be the default template of SketchUp. Now, let's say what I want to do is I want to go ahead and change the default template. In that case, you can go around onto the help menu, and then over here, you can see that you can choose welcome to SketchUp, which actually opens this up. And you can see that this particular template right here is right now the standard. But if I want this one to be, let's say, for example, default, you can go ahead and press the heart button right here. And now this becomes the default template. So now this is what I have right here. So you can see that as I click on it, you can see that I got this new template right here, just like this. So you can go anytime on to help and then go to welcome to SketchUp, and you can see that this comes up in the beginning now. Similarly, you can go ahead and choose this as default right here as well, and then you got this as the default template. So depending on what you want right here, you can go ahead right here and set certain template as default. Let me just go around onto inches right here, click on this, and this is the default template that you have. And that is how you can go ahead and change the default template inside of SketchUp. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.